like a drink? These pricks, I don't know where they're going. Let's hog the right lane and then move over to the left. Fuck, it's a big one, isn't it?